ladies, welcome back to this week's video. So today I'm going to show you how I cover under eye bags. I begin by going through my skincare routine, making sure my skin is moisturized. Once I'm done with that, I use Revitalift by L'Oreal. I use a small amount. And I massage the under eye area for about 1 minute. Once I'm done, I clean this product off, because if I leave it on, it creates a white residue when I add more makeup. So I pat it off like this. Then I go ahead and use this Orange Pro Concealer from LA Girl. I like to mix it with this color corrector from Revlon. And then I use a damp beauty blender to blend this product in. Once I'm done, I go ahead and use the another LA Pro Concealer. I blend it in with the beauty blender again. Once I'm done setting the under eye area, I go ahead and use a primer. This is a Revlon Prime Plus. I go ahead and prime my face and continue with my makeup. I'll be using this Revlon full cover foundation. I mix it with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. It gives me a nice finishing. I'll use this LA Pro Concealer to cover my dark spots. ahead and apply the foundation. Then I'll use this CoverGirl powder. I'll use this contour from Wet n Wild. This is a Wet n Wild bronzer. And then I'll go ahead and finish off my face with the e.l.f. finishing powder. So this is how I cover my under eye bags. Okay, I'll be using this hair from Zillions. Check us out on our website, zillions.com. We have human hair extensions, and this is one of them. This is a ponytail. So my friends, this is the end of this week's video. Thank you so much for coming by to watch this video. I hope you learned something new. I hope you can try out this method. All the products that I used are drugstore products, so they are affordable. I'll leave the products in the description. Thank you so much for coming by, and I will see you all in our next video. Cheers.